welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to organize my pantry and my refrigerator. The girls are back in school and everything has gotten a little crazy and I just want to get everything back in order. I got a couple bins from the Dollar Tree that I'll be using. I got these two bins. They're like just to separate these two little baskets. Let's say you can use dry erase on them. And then I got these little stacking bins. I want to maybe put my teas in there. And then these little things for, you know, like packets and smaller things that I don't want to get lost in there. It is pretty bad. I'll show you. Okay, so this is the top. And that is the bottom. So it's a huge mess. So if you want to see me organize my pantry, keep watching. Okay, and the reveal. Yay! I did the cereal up there, my pancake mix, and then I'm gonna put like brownie and cake mixes here and our oatmeal. And then in this bin, just like flour or sugars, like the powdered sugar, regular sugar, and brown sugar. In this one, I have my spices. And then over here, I have like all our sprinkles and then like our baking extracts. Over here we got tons of beans, not the sauce, like the canned sauce stuff. Scarlett likes the stuff. And then our soups down that row. I don't know why this is here. Soup, our 1 can of fruit cocktail, so I'll put like all the fruits here like when I buy them. Jarred sauces are gonna go over here, and then stuff to make like sauce, and then 1 little can of that. Down here I have my teas. My teas with my little honey bears. Like peanut butter, syrup, the soups, condiments that don't go in the fridge. Our little seasoning packets, and then like puddings and smoothie things. Then this is like our carb shelf with pastas, rice, beans, macaroni and cheese, like some kind of rice, and then Ava's ramen noodles. And then this is the snack drawer. The kids' snack drawer, they're like muffins and fruit roll-ups, and then cookies, popcorn, and then Lily snacks and cookies and, crackers and other crackers. So that is it for the pantry. Now on to the fridge. And this is the fridge.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If you like my vlogs, make sure you go follow me on Instagram. I'm going to be posting more on my stories. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.